Are you still trusting your gut when making business decisions? It's time to stop. Most businesses struggle to analyze customer feedback effectively. This leads to missed opportunities and poor decisions that can cost you dearly. Imagine you have a treasure trove of insights from your customers, but you're not using it. That's a problem. Analyzing customer feedback is the key to turning vague impressions into solid strategies. When you prioritize your customer's voice, your business thrives. Analyzing customer feedback grounds your discussions in real needs. It builds trust and loyalty among customers, with 83% feeling more loyal to brands that actively listen. Plus, it fosters continuous learning within your organization, making data-driven decisions a habit. To start analyzing feedback effectively, gather insights from all sources into one place. Centralize surveys, reviews, and social media comments. Next, categorize this feedback into clear themes. Identify key patterns that will guide your decision-making process. Once you analyze the data, prioritize it. What issues are your customers facing? Address high-impact areas first. Lastly, share your insights across the organization and implement necessary changes that truly benefit your customers. Make customer feedback a habit. Consistent analysis keeps your business aligned with customer expectations. Don't let valuable feedback slip through the cracks. Take action now, and unlock the potential of your business. Ready to transform your business? Start analyzing customer feedback today.